My name is Henry. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the energy revolution system before you decide to buy it. And make sure you stick with me until the end, because I've got some important warnings that could save you money and a lot of frustration. First things first, be very careful about where you purchase this product. Right now, the energy revolution system is only available through its official website. There are a lot of copycat pages and fake offers out there, and people are getting scammed. To make things easier, I've left the official link down below in the description and also pinned it in the top comment. So, what exactly is the energy revolution system? In simple terms, it's a digital guide that claims to teach you how to build a small, low-cost generator at home. The concept is inspired by Nikola Tesla's old bifilar pancake coil design. Inside the guide, you'll find blueprints, step-by-step instructions, and a list of materials that you'll need to build the device yourself. According to the creators, the system uses basic components like wires, magnets, and coils to create a kind of energy loop that can amplify a small input into a larger output. They also claim that most of the materials are easy to find and can cost under $200, which sounds pretty appealing, especially if you're looking for an alternative power source. But here's where you need to stay realistic. These are marketing claims. The system hasn't been scientifically verified, peer-reviewed, or officially tested by certified engineers. So, you shouldn't expect this to replace your home electricity or magically cut your power bill overnight. It's better to see it as an experimental project rather than a guaranteed energy solution. Now, let's talk about how it might actually be used. The idea behind the energy revolution system is to create a small, independent power source. Some people use it for backup during power outages, while others see it as useful for outdoor setups like camping or running small devices off-grid. In theory, it could power things like lights or small appliances, but again, results can vary a lot depending on how well it's built and the conditions you're using it in. For small businesses or workshops, it's marketed as a budget-friendly alternative for supplemental power. But honestly, I wouldn't rely on this for anything critical or high demand. If you're thinking about using it in a serious setup, you should definitely consult a professional and follow local electrical safety rules. And that brings me to an important point: safety. Anytime you're dealing with electricity, you need to be careful. Make sure you understand basic electrical principles, use proper insulation, and never connect a system directly to your home grid without expert guidance. That's not just risky, it can be dangerous. So, does the energy revolution system work? It might work as a learning project or a small experimental build. But if you're expecting a revolutionary, plug-and-play energy solution, you're probably going to be disappointed. At the end of the day, it really depends on your expectations. If you enjoy the projects and want to explore alternative energy concepts, it could be interesting. But if you're looking for a reliable power source, you should look into proven solutions instead. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.